Hey guys, Trailstar here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix Discord not installing on Windows 10. So you guys come down here, type in %app data %. It'll open this up. Make sure to delete Discord, and then after that, go back over here and type in %local app data %. This will open and delete this Discord. And what most people do not know is that you have to come down here, right click, press Task Manager, and go under Background Processes, and you want to end all processes with Discord in it. And so you guys, after that, you just go to your web browser, go to Discord, and then you just want to install Windows, Discord I meant, and it should be good. That's all you gotta do. That's how you fix it. And so you guys, I hope this fixed it. If it did, make sure to subscribe. If it didn't, comment down below what issues you ran into. So you guys, peace out.